Oh, it's for me.
Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Madison, and Pickaway. Flash flood watch remains in effect from this evening through Saturday morning. Showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop late this afternoon and continue into the overnight hours. The rain will be heavy at times with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour possible in some of the storms. In areas of repeated storms, rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches will be possible. People in the watch area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. Avoid low-lying areas and be careful when approaching highway dips and underpasses. The climate summary for Columbus on Thursday.
Yo, my V6 works!
The high temperature was 84 at 5:58 p.m.
Yo, bros, we just brought out HH54. So we now have a second header radio. So we have a first header radio, a second header radio, and third header radios. Very balders.
Broadcast originate.
Yes, here it is!
Until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Pickaway, and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Yeah, it's Dayton all over again, I'm telling you. It's moving slow just like Dayton was. It's Dayton all over again.
Tornado. Radar confirmed tornado.
Holy
Radar
crap.
shows tornado debris in the air. Wow.
Holy crap. They have a radar signature.
Counties in Ohio, Delaware, Licking, and Union. Flash flood watch in effect through Saturday morning.
Holy crap!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has expanded the flash flood watch
That was
to
not
include
on
portions
IEMBot.
of central Ohio and west central Ohio,
That was
including the following
that was
counties
not on
in
IEMBot.
central Ohio, Delaware, Licking,
Bruh.
and Ohio.
Mason.
In west
Yeah?
central Ohio, Auglaize, Logan,
They're
Mercer,
telling me
and
an alert
Shawnee
right now.
through Saturday morning. Showers and thunderstorms are expected
No,
to
they
develop
turned the
this
flash flood
afternoon
watch.
and continue
But
into
it
the
didn't come up on
overnight
IEMBot,
hours.
so we weren't expecting it.
The rain will be heavy at times with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour possible in
It
some of
didn't
the
come on
storms.
IEMBot.
In areas of repeated storms, rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches will
Wait,
be
is that the
possible.
second one?
People in the watch area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate
Oh, it's
action should heavy
4:15,
rains
that's
or flooding
why.
occur or a flash flood warning be issued.
So they
Avoid low-lying areas and be careful
just
when
found the
approaching
watch that was
highway
issued
dips and
before.
underpasses.
Oh, wait, no, they issued a tornado watch, not a flash flood.
Here is a flash flood watch. Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Greene County, Montgomery County, southwestern Miami County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Englewood, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Vandalia, Englewood, Moraine, West Milton, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, Riverside, includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 45 and 65. Here is a hazardous... Southeastern Montgomery County until 8 p.m. At 7:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oakwood, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Miamisburg, Bellbrook, Moraine, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, Cedarville, Jamestown, Wilberforce, Riverside, New Jasper, Spring Valley, and Bowersville.
And guess what?
This includes
There's like
the
the
following
storms are like right
interstates:
there.
I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 58 and 61. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 45 and 55. A tornado watch remains in effect.
Here we go. It's about to start recording. Disco party!
Oh, it's not a tornado warning.
Northwestern Fayette County, Ohio. Northern Clinton County.
Do you think we're gonna
Greene
get one?
County until 8:45 p.m. At
Maybe.
7:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Xenia, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour.
Haven't heard that in a while.
Golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Oh,
Expect hail
Oh.
damage to roofs.
oh, special alert signature. People, it said people and
Power lines.
animals at site will be injured.
Locations impacted include
That's called a special alert signature, something that it doesn't normally say.
Cedarville,
What does that
Sabina, Jamestown.
It says something off script because it needs to say it because it's more dangerous.
Port William, Milledgeville, Octa, Petersville,
No, it's in Greene
Melvin,
County.
Rosemore, Lumberton, and Mount Holly. This
Yo,
includes
Mount Holly, New
21
Jersey!
Ohio between mile markers 48 and 69.
Totally not Mount Holly, Ohio. Yes! Yes! Disco party! Disco party! Disco party!
Has issued a flash flood warning for Western Greene County, Central
Flash
Montgomery
flood warning.
County until 11:15.
What was that?
At 8:11.
Yo! Doubleheader time! Doubleheader! We're gonna have a doubleheader!
Area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Flash flooding is ongoing or
We're about to have a
expected
doubleheader.
shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar.
Yo, doubleheader time.
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights,
Fairborn, Xenia, Trotwood, Vandalia,
Englewood,
dang it.
Bellbrook, Moraine, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Wilberforce, Riverside, Clayton, Shiloh, Centerville.
You ready? You ready for the doubleheader?
County Airport. Move to higher ground now.
Here we go.
Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via
Here we go.
social media.
Here we go. You ready?
Go safely.
Here we go. Yes! Disco party! Yo!
Storm warning for Northwestern Greene County, Central Montgomery County until 8:45 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Trotwood, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
What's that?
Locations impacted include Beaver Creek, Upper Heights, Fairmore, Trotwood, Vandalia, Englewood, Maureen, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base,
Cleveland.
Riverside, Clayton, Union, Brookville, Lebanon, Shiloh, Phillipsburg, Fort McKinley, and Northview. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 22 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 49 and 62.
Imagine this triple header.
Now for the official national.
Holy crap! Where did this come from? Where did this come from? It's okay. It's okay. Disco party.
What?
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Warren County, Clinton County, southeastern Greene County.
When will the
That's
until
what I
9 p.m.
What?
At
When will the
8:17
tornado
p.m.,
warning
a
be?
severe thunderstorm
I
was
have no
located
clue
8
if we
miles
even have
northwest of
one.
Wilmington.
Have you been looking at the radar? If you look at the radar,
Yeah. 16 miles an hour.
I don't know if anything will hit us.
Source, radar indicated. Impact,
Refresh it.
people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Ah, I see why we're getting so many alerts now.
Why?
Windows,
This, it's passing through
expect
to
I don't think it's
KIG
gonna
86.
hit us.
It's passing through into KIG 86.
mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations
I think
impacted
we're in the clear
include
for storm.
Wilmington, Sabina, New Vienna, Harveysburg, Corwin,
Yo, Harveysburg!
Williams, Dayton,
Harveysburg!
Bloomington, Lumber Truck, Middleton Corner, New Antioch, Oakland, Cuba, Lees Creek, Reeville, Caesar Creek State Park, Morrisville, and Ogden. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 41 and 60. Here is
Tornado warning! Tornado! Oh, tornado watch! Watch! Disco party!
tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. and
That
will
got
include
me.
the following county: Hocking, Ohio. Remember, a tornado watch means
Just a small little expansion.
severe weather,
That did not go over IAMBot.
large hail and damaging winds in
And close to the watch area.
While severe weather may not be
Hi.
imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Look at that
and listen
yellow
for
light,
later
yellow
statements
light.
and possible
And
warnings.
everything else is orange.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio.
Oh, except for,
radio and
except for that one.
television
That one's yellow too.
or internet
Just
sources
3
for the
yellow,
latest
you know,
severe
and then the
weather
rest orange,
information.
sadly.
A tornado
Yo! Tornado warning! Yes! Tornado warning! Disco party!
has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Warren County, southwestern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County until 9 p.m.
We're good.
You don't have to go?
8:33 p.m. A severe
Why?
thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was
Is
located
it for
over
us?
West Carrollton, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour.
Are we gonna get one
Hazard,
for us?
tornado.
Maybe. Source. Radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Why are you
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include...
Kettering,
What?
Trotwood, Miami,
Should we get from someone downstairs just in case?
Franklin,
Not yet.
Belleville, Maureen, Carlisle, Oakwood, West Carrollton, Waynesville, Corwin, Centerville, Lytle, Mount Holly, Roxana,
Oh my god, Mount Holly, New Jersey?
and State Route 73. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 38 and 53. Take cover now.
Take cover now.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
It feels so good to hear the words take cover now.
Mobile home or in a vehicle, move Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Ooh.
For severe weather, go to our website
At weather.gov/ILM and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood
SVR. Yep, there it is. Awooga. Disco lights.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, northwestern Highland County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilmington, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
That guy still didn't activate. I think my ears would have broke.
Impact, minor hail damage
What was
to
that?
vehicles.
Doubleheader moment, maybe?
Expect considerable tree damage.
No. No.
Wind damage is also
Not
likely
doubleheader
to
moment.
homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Sabina, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Russell, Martinsville, Midland, Highland, Melbourne, New Antioch, Samantha,
New Antioch.
Westboro, Cuba, Lees Creek, Reeville, Morrisville, Ogden, Burtonville, and Cowan Lake State Park. This includes a 71 in Ohio between mile markers 52 and 53.
Holy crap, it's not over. It's not over. It never disappoints.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for Clinton County, northeastern Warren County, southwestern Greene County until 12:30 a.m. At 9:16 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain has
I am so freaking happy right now.
flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Wilmington, Bellbrook, Waynesville, New Vienna, Harveysburg, Springfield,
Yo, Harveysburg.
Evansville, Corwin, Port William, Centerville, Interstate 71 and U.S. Route 68, Oakland, Ogden, Lumberton, Burtonville, Kinlith, Cowan Lake State Park, Middleton Corner, Paintersville, and Cuba. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is a hazardous weather